Welcome to the world of trading, where fortunes are made, lessons are learned, and discipline is king. If you've ever dreamed of breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind, trading for a living might just be your ticket to freedom. But here's the catch. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a craft, a skill, and a journey that requires knowledge, patience, and a rock-solid mindset. That's exactly what Dr. Alexander Elder teaches in his iconic book, Trading for a Living. This isn't just a book. It's a blueprint for success in the stock market, Forex, or any trading arena you choose. Today, we're going to unpack the core lessons from Dr. Elder's work, explore his strategies, and show you how to apply them to start trading for a living. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. I have a request. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Section 1. Who is Dr. Alexander Elder? Before we get into the nitty-gritty of trading, let's talk about the man behind the book. Dr. Alexander Elder isn't your typical Wall Street guru. Born in the Soviet Union, he trained as a psychiatrist before defecting to the United States in the 1970s. That's right, a psychiatrist turned trader. Why does that matter? Because Dr. Elder brings a unique perspective to trading. He understands the human mind. Trading isn't just about numbers and charts. It's about mastering your emotions, staying disciplined, and outsmarting the market. After years of studying markets and honing his craft, Dr. Elder wrote Trading for a Living in 1993, and it's still a must-read for traders worldwide. His approach combines technical analysis, risk management, and psychology, three pillars that form the foundation of successful trading. So, what makes his book so special? Let's break it down. Section 2. The three pillars of trading. Success. Dr. Elder's philosophy boils down to three key areas: psychology, trading systems, and money management. Let's explore each one and see how they can set you up to trade for a living. Pillar 1. Trading psychology. Here's a truth bomb. The biggest obstacle to your trading success isn't the market, it's you. Fear, greed, and impulsiveness can sabotage even the best strategies. Dr. Elder, with his background in psychiatry, emphasizes that successful traders master their emotions. Imagine this. You're watching a stock you just bought, and it starts to dip. Your heart races, your palms sweat, and you're tempted to sell at a loss. Sound familiar? That's fear talking. On the flip side, when a trade is going well, you might get cocky, hold on too long, and watch your profits vanish. That's greed. Dr. Elder teaches you to recognize these emotions and stick to a plan. One of his key tips: keep a trading journal. Write down why you entered a trade, your emotions during it, and what you learned. This simple habit builds self-awareness and keeps your emotions in check. Trading for a living means treating trading like a business, not a casino. Stay calm, stay focused, and let logic guide your decisions. Pillar 2. Trading systems. Now, let's talk strategy. Dr. Elder is a master of technical analysis, which means using charts and indicators to predict price movements. In Trading for a Living, he introduces tools like moving averages, the MACD indicator, and his own creation, the Force Index. Don't worry if those sound complicated, they're not. Let's break it down. A moving average smooths out price data to show you the trend. Is the stock going up or down? A simple glance at the chart can tell you. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, helps you spot changes in momentum. And the Force Index? It combines price and volume to show you the strength of a trend. Dr. Elder's genius is in combining these tools into a system he calls the triple screen. Here's how it works. You analyze a stock on 3 time frames: long-term, medium-term, and short-term, to confirm a trade. For example, if the weekly chart shows an uptrend, the daily chart confirms it, and the hourly chart gives you an entry point. You've got a high probability trade. This system takes the guesswork out of trading and gives you a clear, repeatable process. That's the kind of edge you need to trade for a living. Pillar 3. Money management. Here's where most traders fail. They don't manage their money. Dr. Elder's golden rule? Never risk more than 2% of your account on a single trade. Let's say you have a $10,000 trading account. That means you can only risk $200 per trade. Why is this so important? Because even the best traders lose sometimes. If you risk too much and lose, you're out of the game. But if you keep your risks small, you can survive a string of losses and still have capital to trade another day. Dr. Elder also emphasizes position sizing. Don't put all your money into one stock or trade. Diversify your trades and always use stop-loss orders to limit your losses. Money management isn't sexy, but it's the difference between trading for a living and blowing up your account. Dr. Elder's approach is like building a fortress around your capital. Protect it at all costs. Section 3. The Trader's Mindset. Let's zoom out for a moment. Trading for a living isn't just about charts and numbers. It's a lifestyle. Dr. Elder stresses that successful traders treat trading like a profession, not a hobby. That means showing up every day with a plan, staying disciplined, and constantly learning. One of his most powerful lessons is the idea of freedom through discipline. Sounds contradictory, right? But think about it. The more disciplined you are with your trading rules, the more freedom you have to live life on your terms. No boss, no cubicle, just you and the markets. Dr. Elder also warns against overtrading, jumping into trades out of boredom or excitement. Every trade should have a clear reason behind it. Another gem? Treat losses as tuition. Every losing trade teaches you something, so don't beat yourself up. Learn, adapt, and keep going. This mindset shift is what separates the amateurs from the pros. Section 4. Practical steps to start trading for a living. So, how do you actually start trading for a living? Dr. Elder's book gives you a roadmap, and here's how you can apply it today. First, educate yourself. Read Trading for a Living. Cover to cover and practice using the tools Dr. Elder teaches, like moving averages and the triple screen system. Second, start small. Open a demo account with a broker and practice trading without risking real money. This lets you test strategies and build confidence. Third, create a trading plan. Write down your entry and exit rules, risk management strategy, and goals. Stick to it like your life depends on it. Fourth, track your progress. Use that trading journal we talked about to review your trades and spot patterns. Finally, be patient. Trading for a living doesn't happen overnight. It takes months, sometimes years, to build the skills and consistency needed to replace your income. But with Dr. Elder's principles, you're not gambling. You're building a sustainable career. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the pitfalls that can derail your trading journey. Dr. Elder is clear. Most traders fail because they lack discipline or take unnecessary risks. One common mistake is chasing hot tips. You know, that friend who swears a stock is about to go to the moon. Ignore them. Do your own analysis. Another mistake is over-leveraging, borrowing money to trade bigger positions. It's tempting, but one bad trade can wipe you out. Dr. Elder also warns against revenge trading, trying to win back money after a loss by taking reckless trades. That's a one-way ticket to disaster. And finally, don't ignore the market's bigger picture. Economic news, interest rates, and global events can move markets. Stay informed, but don't get paralyzed by analysis. Stick to your system, manage your risk, and keep learning. We've covered a lot today, from Dr. Alexander Elder's 3 pillars of trading success, psychology, systems, and money management, to the mindset and practical steps you need to trade for a living. This isn't just about making money, it's about building a life of freedom, discipline, and purpose. Dr. Elder's Trading for a Living isn't just a book, it's a wake-up call. It reminds us that the markets reward those who show up prepared, stay disciplined, and never stop learning. So, what's your next step? Grab a copy of Trading for a Living and start studying. Open a demo account and test your skills. Write down your trading plan and commit to it. The road to trading for a living isn't easy, but it's worth it. Imagine waking up every day knowing you're in control of your financial future. That's the power of Dr. Elder's teachings. So, go out there, master your mind, master the markets, and start trading for a living. The journey starts now. Make it count.